Welcome back, savers. This week's couponing deals for Dollar General are here and they are fantastic. We are going to do some easy to follow deals on paper products using mostly digital coupons, though this week some extra coupons that are paper versions would definitely come in handy. So gather some from your friends and neighbors before you hit the store. The deals in this video will be valid for Saturday, 1/15 only. And if you are a beginner, I highly recommend checking out our beginner playlist before you watch this video. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm saving my best deal for last. Okay, so this first transaction, you're going to start by picking up one of the Microban disinfectant sprays. We had a really great deal on these last week, and if you haven't used the $3 off of 6 digital coupon, go ahead and use it this week to make this transaction really simple. These are $6, so we have that $3 off coupon, making it just $3 or essentially just half price. So great deal on that. Next, we're going to pick up 4 of the Reese's King size hearts for Valentine's Day. So these are $1.50 a piece, so $6 for 4 of them. But we have this buy 2 get 2 free coupon, which is essentially going to take $3 off. So again, making those half price. Also, we're going to pick up a bag of the Finish dish pods. These are $6.50, and we have a $1.50 off coupon on those. And you know I'm all about some dish pods. They are my absolute favorite thing to coupon for. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite thing to coupon for? What can you absolutely not get enough of? Leave a comment down below. Also pick up one of the Nivea lotions for $4.15, and we have a $2 digital coupon on that. Last but not least, pick up one of the Centrum vitamins for $5. We have a $4 off digital coupon on that. You'll see me use the Centrum in a lot of deals this week just because that $4 coupon makes it such a good filler item to get things for really, really cheap. So, with all of that, the Microban, the 4 Reese's King Hearts, the Finish, the Nivea, the Centrum, your subtotal is going to come to $27.65. And after all of those coupons come off, make sure you have your 5 off 25. I forgot to say that. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped as well. Your subtotal is going to come to $27.65, and your out-of-pocket cost is going to come to $9.15 plus tax. So I think that's pretty good for all of that, but let's see if we can get some even better deals. Just a reminder that Christmas at Dollar General is probably ending this week. I was seeing my store employees start to pull things from the shelves while I was here filming on Tuesday, so it's probably going away. I didn't see things at my stores go to 90%, just to 70%, but the Christmas candy is still 50% off, so for the time being, until you can rush in and get it, you can get candy 50% off. And I also found a couple of awesome Christmas finds today, some floral arrangements and a pillow for 70% off. So they ended up being super cheap. Okay, so our second transaction today is another great deal this week on cleaning products. You only need 1 paper coupon to complete this deal. I was able to find it in my Smart Source that I grabbed on Sunday. That would be January 9th. So if you have access to that paper coupon, that'll make this deal even better. You could do it without, but it won't be quite as good a deal. So getting started, go ahead, you can pick up one of those Microban again. We're going to do this deal till it's dead. One for $6, and we have the $3 off digital coupon. Next, pick up 2 of the Windex cleaners. We don't get these for very cheap very often, so I like to pick them up when I can kind of squeeze them in. So 2 of them is going to run you $7.50, and you do have a 50-cent digital coupon, but you don't want to grab that if you can, or clip that, excuse me. You don't want to clip that if you can help it. Actually use this $1 off of 2 paper coupon from that 1.9 Smart Source if you can. Next, pick up 2 of the Lysol wipes for $2.65 each, and so that's going to run you $5.30 for both. We have a $1 off digital coupon when you buy 2. And also pick up one of the Crest with Scope from the dollar aisle. This is just $1. And like I said, you can find it in the dollar aisle of your Dollar General. And we have this $2 off digital coupon if you didn't use it last week. That will work, giving you $1 overage on that item. Also pick up one of the Airwick starter kits for $1.65. This is a great item that's, good for filler. We have $1.75 off coupon on that, of course, digital. And that's going to make us 10 cents overage. So those are both filler items that are really good to add to any transaction. And last but not least, 2 Captain Crunch cereals. These are 2 for $5. We have a $2 off 2 digital Quaker coupon that works on these. And that's going to bring it down to $3, like $1.50 per box. Let's real talk for just a sec. You love saving money. I love saving you money. You need deals. I got deals. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ding the notification bell. You're going to want to do that so you don't miss out on all of this savings. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. And your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $25.95. And make sure you hand over your paper coupon last, of course. And after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $10.20 plus tax for all of these items. Okay, now we're going to start getting into the paper deals. So we're going to start by picking up one of the Cottonelle toilet paper for $5. And we have a $1 off digital coupon on this. My store was strangely completely out of Cottonelle, not a single pack. So that was kind of weird today when I was filming. But this is a photo from a while ago. But anyway, $1 off digital coupon. And then we're going to pick up one package of the Scott toilet paper for $5 as well. This is also a $1 digital coupon. And we're going to pick up 2 packages of the Scott paper towels. These are $5.50. So $11 for both packs. And we have a $1 off digital coupon on those as well. And also a $1 off digital coupon from coupons.com. You can download the app to your phone and you can just clip that digital coupon. Then once you check out with your receipt at the store, you can submit your receipt, a photo of your receipt, to coupons.com, the app, and it will take that $1 off, give you that $1 back essentially. So extra savings that way. And because we're getting all of this paper, we're going to use the $4 off of 20 instant savings on this transaction. And I always preface that this is kind of an intermediate deal with couponing. If you're a beginner, maybe hold off, or, just what I want you to focus on is basically that instant savings comes off of your transaction first, meaning that when you scan all of your items at the register, you still have to be spending $25 to get that $5 off of 25 to come off after this $4. So all you have to know is instead of spending 25, you need to spend 29. Add an extra $4 onto your total, and that's what you're going to need to spend essentially. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I try to get to them every week. But yeah, so we're going to take $4 off with that instant savings. Again, we can do the Crest with Scope. It's $1, $2 off coupon. I'm not going to bore you with that again. Also, you can pick up one of the Colgate toothbrushes for $3, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making it just $1. And last but not least, we have the Centrum for $5 that we can take that $4 off coupon, and of course your 5 off of 25. So like I said, your subtotal has to be at least 29. We are going to be at $30 for this transaction. And then after all of your coupons and your instant savings come off, we are looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $9 plus tax for all of that paper, which is incredible. Okay, I told you I would save the best deal for last, and here it is. We are going to do another version of this paper deal, except we're going to get so much more paper. We're going to try and get it for under $20. So if you have paper coupons, now is the time to use them. We are going to pick up 3 of the Cottonelle toilet paper, $5 a piece, so $15 total there. We have that $1 digital coupon that we can use. We have the $1 digital coupon from coupons.com app. And we also have a $1 paper coupon from the 19 Smart Source insert. So that was this past Sunday that you can use as well. So 2 digitals, 1 paper. We also have 2 Scott toilet paper that we're going to pick up. So $5 a piece, $10 for both. So we're already at $25 there. We have the $1 digital coupon that we're going to use, plus the $1 digital coupon from coupons.com. We're also going to pick up in this transaction 4 Kleenex boxes or a 3-pack that is the bundle. The bundle is the better deal, so that's what you're going to want to do if you have the option. So pick up that 1 3-pack of the Kleenex for $4.50, and you have a $1 paper coupon, hopefully from the 19 Smart Source on that as well. The one in the Smart Source is only for the bundle pack. So $4.50, and you have that $1 off paper coupon. If you need to do the individual boxes, there is a $1 digital coupon on those. And last but not least, we're going to pick up 2 more of those Scott paper towels. You've got them for $5.50 each, so $11 for both. You have a $1 digital coupon plus a $1 digital coupon from coupons.com. That is a mouthful. That was a lot of coupons. The instant savings is going to come off twice on this transaction because we're spending over $40. Remember, it's $4 off of every $20 spent on Kleenex and Cottonelle and Scott, etc. So that's $8 total that's going to be taken off, which means we need to account for that $8 and make sure we're spending $8 more than $25, which we absolutely are. And we have the $5 off of $25 coupon that we're going to clip, and I know that's a lot. Our subtotal is going to come to $40.50. And after all of those coupons and your double instant savings come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of $19.50 plus tax. So under that $20, that is incredible savings. But wait, if you use the Fetch app, you can use the Fetch app, especially if you do multiple transactions where you earn $25 worth of these paper products specifically. You can get an extra $5 back from Fetch. You have to be buying Scott, Cottonelle, or Kleenex products to earn the $5. The $25 that you spend has to be after coupons and any discounts and savings. So because we're spending under that amount, it might take you more than one transaction to hit that $5, but it's an extra $5 of savings on all these paper products. So I think it's a good deal, and I'm definitely going to do it. If you haven't signed up for the Fetch app yet, you can download it using my code, which will be in the description box down below and on the screen right there. Every time you do, that helps us and helps support our work at this channel, so we really, really appreciate it. Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you found it helpful and you're excited about these paper deals, leave us a thumbs up, and happy saving!